Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's horror story is about a mysterious gas station on a lonely Texas highway. Strange whispers, a missing person poster, and a terrifying secret await. So sit back and enjoy the last gas station. The empty highway. Ethan Carter was driving along deserted highway in Texas late at night. The road stretched endlessly into the darkness, and there were no other cars around. His phone had no signal, and the silence outside felt strange. When he looked at the fuel gauge, he realized his tank was almost empty. After driving for several more minutes, Ethan spotted an old gas station beside the road. The building looked abandoned with broken windows and rusty fuel pumps. However, the sign still glowed weakly in the darkness. Having no other option, he decided to stop. A strange old man inside the station. An old man stood behind the counter. His face was pale and his eyes seemed lifeless. What frightened Ethan the most was what that the man stared at him without blinking. The old man slowly nodded when Ethan greeted him. As Ethan walked toward the counter, something on the wall caught his attention. It was missing a person poster. Curious, he moved closer to read it. The moment he saw the photographer, a chill ran through his body because the face on the poster looked exactly like him. Ethan stared at the poster in disbelief. The name, face, and even the clothes matched him perfectly. What scared him even more was the late date printed below the picture. It was the same date as today. His hands began shaking. Ethan quickly turned around to ask the old man about the poster, but when he looked at the counter, nobody was there. The old man had disappeared completely. Ethan searched the email store, but there was no sign of him anywhere. Before Ethan could understand what was happening, the lights above the started flickering. The entire building shook slightly. Then, without warning. Every light went out. The station was suddenly covered in completely darkness. Standing in the darkness, Ethan tried to stay calm. Then he heard a whisper near his ear. Someone softly spoke his name. A second voice followed, then another. Soon, dozens of whispers surrounded him from every corner of the building. The voices kept repeating the same words over and over again. Stay with us, stay with us. The whispers grew louder and louder until it felt as if hundreds of people were speaking at once. The strange message frightened Ethan. Pulled out his phone. There was still no signal. Suddenly, the screen flashed and displayed a signal message. It read, "You arrived years ago. Ego, ego." Ethan had no idea what it meant. A few the world is gone. A few moments later, the lights come back on. Ethan immediately ran outside. What he saw made his blood run. Could his car had disappeared and highway was gone, and the station was nothing except endless darkness. The mysterious stars. The mysterious stars. Ethan rushed back inside the building. As he looked around, he noticed something impossible. A staircase had appeared near the back wall. He was certain it had not been there for then. Heavy footsteps echoed from above. The the something is coming. The footsteps grew louder with each passing second. Ethan could hear something slowly walking down the stairs. A terrible smell filled the air and the temperature suddenly dropped. Fear gripped his entire body. The cre- the creature, a foul figure, finally appeared at the top of the staircase. Its arms were unusually long and its eyes were completely black. A twisted smile stretched across its face. The creature stared directly at Ethan without moving. The chilling words. After several seconds of silence. The creature spoke. Its voice sounded deep and unnatural. Another traveler has arrived. It whispered. The words echoed through the station and filled Ethan with terror. The escape. Knowing the could not stay there, Ethan ran toward a back door. He pushed open and rushed outside. Instead of finding the highway, he found himself standing in a large field covered by thick white fog. The lost travelers. Dark figures stood motionless inside the fog. As Ethan got closer, he realized they were people. Some wore old fashioned clothes, while others looked more modern. They all appeared frightened and lost. The warning. A pale woman stepped forward from the group. Her face looked ex- exhausted and terrified. She stared at Ethan and quietly whispered, "Run before it catches you. We all made the same mistake." The final chase. Ethan turned around and saw the creature standing only short distance away. It slowly began walking toward him. Ethan ran through the fog as fast as he could, but the creature apostrophe footsteps remained close behind him. The new poster. Just as Ethan thought might escape, a could hand touched his shoulder. Everything instantly turned black. The next morning, a truck driver stopped at the gas station. On the wall hung a brand new missing person poster showing Ethan 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 Cartner smiling face. The truck driver felt uneasy because for a brief moment the picture seemed to smile at him. Thank you for watching the last gas station. If you enjoyed this horror story, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more scary stories. See you in the next horror tale. Stay